guys, how are you all? I am Adarsh Kumar Parida. I welcome you all once again to our channel Font Technique Training. Guys, today's video is going to be very special for you and it's a very important video. You should not skip even 1 second. Today I will teach you how to make a scanner of 3 black crows and 3 white soldiers. Okay. Before that, we should know that what is white soldier. 3 white soldiers. Okay. Can you see? This is the Reliance chart. There is 3 green candles. Okay. 3 green candles and all the green candles are making also higher high. Okay. This is the setup of 3 white soldier. Although it is not looking white, but this is white soldier. I don't know who gave the name, but this is white soldier. Okay. So similarly, the reversal pattern is called 3 black crows. Let me show you here. See, can you see here? This is a 3 black crows. Means this is continuously 3 red candle. Okay. You can say 3 red crows or 3 white soldier or 3 green soldier. I don't care, but this is the pattern I want to teach you today. Okay. How to make a scanner. I'm telling you, this is very beautiful setup. I'm giving a very advanced technique at the last of this video, and you should not skip any single. If you miss it, definitely you cannot understand. If you miss a single step, definitely you cannot understand. So stay connected with me. Okay. So as you know, this is a positive price action pattern. Okay. If I have to make a scanner, what I have to do is, this is a new account, guys. Okay. So what I have to do is click here, create scan. Okay, before making the scanners, many of you not able to join our Telegram channel where we already share lots of scanners. Okay, so that you can copy. What you have to do is, there is a link below in the description. Just click it and join it. But if the link is not opening, what you have to do, open your Telegram channel and search Font Technique Training, and you can join and you can save all these scanners what I have shared. Okay. So, and if you have still not subscribed our YouTube channel, click that subscribe button so you'll be the first person to view my video whenever I post new content. Okay. So what I have to do is, this all 3 candle is green. Okay. If this all 3 candle is green, it means the closing is above, open is below. So can I write here latest, and this is the latest here. This is the latest. Latest mean in charting what do we represent as latest? 0. This is -1 candle and this is -2 candle. Okay. This is the basic things and I know you should know this. And this is, I clicked here, create scanner, and we are making it new scanner. Okay. Okay. So first of all, select here futures. Okay. Because we want only future stocks, and many of you getting confused when I select future. It means, will it scan all the future stock? No, it will scan only the cash stock which are also trading in future. Okay, so there should not be any confusion. Okay, so what I have to do is, I have to write here latest close is greater than open. Am I correct or not? Make it 5 minutes. Okay, make it 5 minutes. This is not a strategy, guys. This is not strategy. For if you want to learn strategy, there are a lot of strategy in YouTube. You learn it, no problem. In my channel, I have only shared 2 strategies. That is, one is volume spike, another is premium gap up, gap down. Okay. Apart from that, there is no strategy I have shared. These are all the techniques I am sharing in this channel, so that it will help you to execute your strategies. Okay, in a proper way. So this 5 minute close is greater than open. So what I have to do is just copy here. You just click that blue button. Okay, and make it -1. This is -2 and this is -1, -2. Okay. Okay. So latest close is greater than latest 5 minute open. Previous one close greater than previous 5 minute open. Previous 2 5 minute close is greater than previous 2 5 minute open. And all 3 are green candles. Okay. And also you want higher high, means this high should greater than this high, this high should greater than this high. So what I have to write here, guys, these are the basic things I have explained so far. So you should not panic what are the things we have written here. Okay, so not get disturbed. The more you go into deep, the more you can understand. Okay, so just stay calm and watch it. I also want higher high, so high greater than high, and I want to change the time frame. Okay, greater than -1. Okay, all right, again copy it and -1, -2. Okay, means latest high is greater than previous high is greater than previous second high. Okay, again run it. There I have named it 3 white soldier. There is no soldier, but okay, 3 green soldiers, whatever you can consider, no problem. Okay, can you see here what else also I want? You want volume. Okay, you want volume higher high also. This is also very good, price increasing with volume. Okay, that is also very good point. You can add latest volume is greater than previous volume. Copy it, latest volume is greater than previous volume. Okay, and previous volume is greater than previous second candle volume. Okay, am I making sense to you guys? This is the chart pattern I am explaining you here. Okay, and run scan. Okay, and save scan. Okay, so you also got the volume. We'll see the result, don't worry. Okay, and what you also want, can you see here, this is the candle of 11:45, means from 11:45 to 11:50. So what I have to do is, once the candle shift to 11:50, okay, 11:50 to 11:55, again you also get an alert. Why you will get the alert? Because it's again making higher high formation. Just I'm giving an example. Okay, I'm giving an example. Just simply blindly do not enter tomorrow. You should, if this is the strategy or somehow, or you have combined something, then you can use it, and you can use it in various way. Let me explain each and every steps what I am going to share you in this video. Okay, so and even you don't want this one also. You only want the initial 3 candles. That means if you want only initial, it means the 4th candle should be red. It means this is the latest, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is -3. So what I have to write here is -3 candle close, -3 candle open is greater than close. Okay, okay, -3, make it -3 and run scan. Okay, so far is very clear, and let me run this scanner and see whether at 11:35 or 45 we are getting an stock alert or not. To get the alert, what you have to do, just create alert. Okay, and just change the time frame into 1 minute and save alert. Okay, you can do 11:45. Okay, here Cipla, Dr. Reddy, Reliance and Maruti. Okay, 4 stock you got, and your Reliance is there. Okay, so Reliance is there. Okay, but now you can tell others, I also want this stock when it's making new high. Okay, when it's making new high. So what you can write here, latest highs, this high, 5-minute high, is greater than, is equals to latest high. Okay, latest high. Can you make it? Yes, you can make it. If you run this scan, you also get the stock list. At that time, this would be the day high, and you will get the alert. But there is a problem with this scanner. As soon as the next candle or 2 candle after, if this high broke, then this is no more the latest high. That's why if you check later, it will not show to you. Okay, so we have to enter something different here. So what I have to write here, latest high is greater than, okay, I have to use your max function. Okay, max function, previous one. Okay, 20 candles, previous 20 you want, and this is the high. What does it mean by? Means latest high, this candle's high is greater than -1. minus 1. From here it will start counting from here to previous 20 up to here. This is 1 to 20. Okay, so okay, it will calculate this 20 bar. Okay, so whatever the maximum high of this 20 bar, it should be above the high. Okay, above the high. I should not change anything from here. Okay, and let's run it and check from the back test result once again. 11:45, and you can see only 2 stock. Earlier there is 4 stock, now it is only 2 stock. Okay, let me check the Dr. Reddy once again. There is other stock also, Dr. Reddy. Okay, 11:45. Okay, here is 11:45, and you can see there is also, higher high formation, higher closing formation, and it is also day high, and you get the stock. Here you can see what a massive movement given by Reliance. In this way we can make your own strategy. But what you can tell me, others, no, I want 4 white soldier. Okay, I want 4 black crows. In that condition, what should I do? You have to double click, again you have to make certain changes, again you have to repeat the same thing, and if you want 10 white soldiers, again you have to repeat. So it looks like a electric bill. But this is not only the reason you are here. You want to learn something very, very advanced technique, and I'm really going to share you the advanced technique within very few seconds. Now what is the technique and how to do that? Okay, if you want 10 white soldier, others I want more soldiers, I want to trade reversals, so I want more soldiers in a row, then I will kill the soldier. Okay, so like that. Okay, how to do that? Now I'm just deleting all this. Okay, forget this, I will explain later. This too is important, no problem. Okay, so first motto is I want a higher closing. 3 higher closing means what I have to do is here, can I say here if this candle is green and this candle, this is the opening and this is the closing price, can I say this closing minus open is greater than 0? Can I say? Okay, if all this candle closing minus open is greater than 0, definitely it will be a green candle. Are you with me, guys? Okay, so what I can write here is minimum. Okay, minimum of 3 candle, high minus close minus open is greater than 0. What does it mean by, guys? What does it mean by? It means the gap between close and open minimum greater than 0. Okay, what I explained here is past 3 candle, close minus open, past 3 candle starting from latest candle, means this is the starting from latest candle, means this will count this one and this one, and 3 candle, what I have written here, close minus open, each candle's close minus open, should be greater than 0. Okay, should be greater than 0, and run it. Okay, once you run it, okay, again copy it, again also you want higher high, can I write this high means latest high minus previous high should be greater than 0. Okay, if this candle high minus this candle high is greater than 0, then definitely this high is greater than this high. Are you with me? So what I can do here is minimum of 2. Why I have mentioned here 2, I'll tell you. Minimum 2 latest high minus what I have written here, minus 1 high greater than 0, and run it. It means why I have written here 3, because it was counting the latest close and minus latest open. 3 times it should be repeated, but when I select latest high minus minus 1 high, it means latest high minus 1 high, minus 1 high minus 2 high. Okay, it's finished. Okay, so I do not need, so this process should repeat only 2 times. Okay, that's why I have not included here 3, it's only 2. Okay, you also want the higher volume. That means this volume is greater than this volume and this volume should be greater than this volume. It means latest volume minus previous one volume should be greater than, again, 0, and run it. Okay, are you with me, guys? So here you get the green candle, 3 green candle, higher high formation, higher volume formation. Okay, what else? If you want 5 white soldier, just change the value here, just change the value, and this should be 4, this should be 4. Okay, if you want 10 white soldier at a row, and if you want get a strong momentum, you want to trade reversal, you can keep here 10 white soldier, 10, just make it 9 and make it 9. Okay, so this is the way you can do, you can use, this is the advanced charting method, guys. Okay, so this 3 candle formation has been done. You want this 4th candle should be red, that's why just make it, put it down, minus 3 open, it should be greater than close, and latest high is greater than starting from latest high is greater than past 20 candles maximum high. Okay, past 20 candles maximum high, whatever the high value of the past 20 candle, it should be greater than that. Okay, and what you have to do is save it and rename it 3 white soldier, and you are done. Okay, so this is the way, guys, you can you can use the charting. And again, if I'll go there, and you can see here also 11:45. Okay, this is an example I have shown here. Again, the Reliance is here. Okay, and what if you want to change it to other time frame? Do not worry, you have to only just change the time frame here. Just simply change the time frame here. No worry, just change the time frame here. You'll get the result. Okay, that's it. So in this way you can use this charting dynamically. Okay, so this scanner I'll be sharing in my Telegram channel. So if you have still not joined, search Fund Technique Training and you can get the channel name, and otherwise you check the link in the description below and you can join, and you can copy all these scanners I have shared in past. Okay, so what is the tax for you is you tried the reverse one. Okay, you try the reverse one, and I will come with the reverse one setup in the next video. Okay, and thank you so much, guys, and I'm very happy that we have crossed 10,000 subscriber, and it's a very big achievement for me. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with others so that it will be help others too, and give your valuable comment. Thank you so much.